Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk to you about your hair and how you can have nice hair and how the easiest way to have nice hair is to use the right shampoo and conditioner. In this video I'm going to break down for you what you're looking for when you're choosing a shampoo and conditioner and why you're looking for those things. Before I get into it though, I'm going to get a little housekeeping out of the way. Subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell so that you're notified whenever we post new videos. All the videos we post are meant to teach you something either about your craft, about how to grow your business, or about how to grow yourself. We also have two sister channels. We have a holistic beauty channel and I have a personal channel that is dedicated towards developing your mindset and helping you to live intentionally. So we'll link those ones down below. Hair is only beautiful if it's healthy. If you have long hair and it's all split and damaged, that looks really bad. Or if you have a color and it's super dull and lifeless, that also isn't that attractive. It's more than just hair. When you love your hair and you love the way that it looks in the mirror and you love the way that you look in the mirror, you love the way that it feels, it is directly related to boosting your self-esteem, boosting your self-confidence, really everything. But let's not talk about the emotional reasons. Let's get back to the physical, the reasons why you want to have nice hair. So before I get into how to choose the right shampoo and conditioner for you, let's just talk about the structure of hair first so you understand what you're looking for. So I want you to think of your hair like this straw, your strand of hair like this straw. And when you go and color it, or there's heat damage, or there is mechanical damage, like you brushing it too hard. Actually, Veronica did an amazing series on split ends and I'm going to link it right here. Make sure to give that a watch through and you'll understand the different causes of why you have split ends and damaged ends and all those broken ends, and you'll also understand how to repair them and how to prevent them. So imagine your hair to look like this straw. When it's healthy, it's whole and there's no holes in it. You can drink out of it no problem and no fluids will leak out. As your hair starts to get damaged by colors, lightening, heat, too much tension, whatever, the structure of the hair then becomes compromised. So I'm gonna demonstrate it like this with a hole punch. It's just gonna start to take little pieces out. And this is similar to what is happening to your hair when it gets bleached. It starts to look like that. As pigment is getting eaten out, or as if you're starting to compromise the cuticle of the hair, which is the outside protective layer of your hair, all of these different things. Now, this is just to give you a really simple example so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Is this a scientific demonstration? No, but you understand what I mean. So imagine your hair to look like this as it's getting damaged. The more damaged your hair is, the more holes it will have. So when you're choosing the right shampoo and conditioner, you have to consider the state of your hair. So if your hair is really damaged, you want something with protein because the protein is going to be what fills the holes. And then you also want something with moisture because the moisture is like the glue that will seal it in there. One without the other won't work. If I just go to seal this, there's no internal structure to repair what was already gone and it'll still be really weak. So if I had something with just protein, it would fill the holes, but nothing, if there was no moisture, it wouldn't seal it in there. So I hope that makes sense. So when you're choosing the right shampoo and conditioner for you, these are things that you need to consider. For the most part, everybody has a little bit of damage to their hair. And if not damage, maybe a little bit of dehydration. 99% of people could benefit from having a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. If you're someone that has that damaged hair, you want to make sure you're finding a shampoo and conditioner that has both. So now that you know that, let's talk about the things that you're looking for when you're shopping for the right shampoo and conditioner for you and your hair. So there are 4 things essentially that you want to consider when you're shopping for the right shampoo and conditioner for you. The first thing is you want to read the ingredients. You get what you pay for. There is no way that there could be the same quality of ingredients in a $3 bottle of shampoo as a $30 bottle of shampoo. Ingredients do matter. So this is why. Go to your local drugstore and pick up a bottle of the shampoo and flip it over and read the ingredients in there. And then go take a household floor cleaner, like Mr. Clean or something like that. Flip that over and then read the ingredients. You're gonna find a lot of similar or the same ingredients. Now, just think about it. Would you pour Mr. Clean on your head to clean your hair or your skin? Probably not. You could try it and it would probably burn. Same thing with the conditioners. Often drugstore conditioners are filled with a bunch of waxes. Check out this video clip. Here you will see me scraping this girl's hair strand. She is someone that's been using Pantene Pro V for a little while, and you can see all this waxy buildup that she has here. Now, this is the thing. When you feel all this wax, you're tricked into thinking that your hair is soft, but it actually isn't. The second thing is if there was any quality ingredients in this conditioner, it wouldn't be able to penetrate through the waxy barrier. So checking ingredients is super important. The other thing on that note is just because it's professional doesn't mean it's quality. There are some brands out there that have mastered their marketing, making you think that it is amazing shampoo and conditioner, but really it's just a high-priced drugstore conditioner. And you will know all that once you just check the ingredients. Another thing that you want to check for when you're checking for the ingredients is water the first ingredient? Oftentimes there are a lot of lines out there that will put a bunch of water in there to fill in the bottle, but what's going to happen from that is you're going to need way more product to get it to lather. So with our line, we keep it really concentrated actually. If you look at it, our first ingredient is sea kelp extract. So what you'll know is you just use a lot less product, add water from your own shower, and it'll really start to suds. So there's also a video that we've shot about the proper way to wash and condition your hair that I will link here as well. So make sure to watch that, because washing your hair properly will also prevent it from getting damaged and save you money from wasting additional product. I seriously love Wash. It is one of our best-selling products, and in my opinion, one of the best shampoos on the market. We use the coconut-based cleanser, so it is nice and gentle. Every time I wash my client's hair, before I condition it, I ask them to touch it. They can see for themselves. After just one wash, it feels like their hair was just conditioned. The reason why Wash is so gentle is it uses a blend of different oils as its cleansers. If you all remember from grade 8 science class, oils lift oils. So in our cleansers, we use a blend of coconut, vegetable oils, and soybean oil. Some of the other key ingredients include vitamin B5, which is a great humectant for your hair. So essentially what that does is it binds moisture to your skin and your hair. It also has hydrolyzed silk protein and a phytokeratin protein blend. So basically what that means is this shampoo is great for anybody that has dry or damaged hair. Polish is amazing. Now it's gonna work like a daily mini mask. It's infused with so much goodness that's gonna help to repair your dry and damaged hair and give you that beautiful, healthy hair that you've always wanted. Just to list off a few of the ingredients in there, its base is made from organic sea kelp extract. There's aloe vera juice, coconut oil, hydrolyzed oats, yucca extract, honeyquat, vitamin B5, silk proteins. All of these things are designed to fix your hair from the inside out. The second thing you want to consider when you're shopping for the right shampoo and conditioner is you want to use the shampoo and conditioner together as a pair. Manufacturers create their shampoos and conditioners to work together. So for instance, I'm going to use clarifying shampoo as an example because that one's really easy for people to wrap their minds around. It's not uncommon for people to think, it's just shampoo, what's the difference? But there's definitely a difference. But let's use clarifying shampoo as the example. So our hair, skin, and nails has an acidic pH of 4.5 to 5.5. A clarifying shampoo has a really, really high pH, so it's really alkaline, and what that's going to do is going to help to strip off anything that is built up onto your hair. Now, the reason why you want to use that with its paired conditioner is usually the paired conditioner is way more acidic than normal, or not way more necessarily, but more acidic than normal, which will help to restore the pH balance that you just stripped away. Okay, so you want to use your shampoo and conditioners together. So the third thing to analyze when you're deciding what is the right shampoo and conditioner for you is actually, does it work for you? And you will be the only one that can tell that, or your hairstylist might be able to show you, but you're gonna know best yourself. I've seen a hairline out there that the branding slogan says, you will notice results in as little as 3 months. And when I hear something like that, my sirens go off. Our bodies are really responsive to whatever it is that we're doing, and you should be able to notice a difference from the very first time that you shampoo or condition your hair. When I take my clients to the back sink and I wash their hair with our wash, I get them to feel it right then and there. And I'm like, look, feel your hair. It feels like we just conditioned it. And they feel it and they notice an instant result. Same thing with the conditioner. They can feel how much softer their hair feels, and they can even experience how much quicker their hair dries. So as soon as you try the shampoo and conditioner, whatever that may be, you need to do your own self-analysis and decide whether or not it works. And you should be able to notice results, at least a difference. The last thing is know the state of the health of your hair before you're picking your shampoo and conditioner. That was a mouthful. So basically, if you have damaged hair, you want to use something like our nvenn's polish because it has microkeratin that will penetrate into the deepest layers of your hair to repair and rebuild it from the inside out. It's actually a microkeratin, so it's gentle enough that you can use every single day. Now, for using protein-based treatments like heavy proteins, that is something that you want to keep to using only once a week. And the reason being is it can get too heavy for your hair. So I know a lot of people wonder if they can use these protein masks every day or if they can sleep in them, and the answer is no. You got to remember that your hair looks like this. So now just pretend like this is your arm, okay? And you want to build your muscle strength. Am I going to go to the gym and all of a sudden bicep curl 60 pounds or something crazy? No, I would probably break it. So same thing with having full protein masks. You only want to use it once a week. If your hair is super damaged, I would actually suggest only putting it on for 5 minutes to start and then working your way up to 10, maybe 20 depending on what it is. Definitely never sleeping with it overnight. And then using something like nvenn's polish that has that microkeratin that is gentle enough that you can put it on every single day. If your hair is really dehydrated, or actually I think everyone's hair just needs a gentle cleansing shampoo like nvenn's wash that's based from a coconut-based cleanser. Actually, I'm going to show you how gentle it really is. I use it to wash my dog, I use it to clean my shoes, wash off my eye makeup. It actually saves me money because I can just have this one bottle and use it for everything. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try nvenn's wash and polish for yourself, I'm going to put the link right here. You can head on over to our website to purchase them for yourself. If you're a hairstylist and you want to stock it in your salon or use it as a part of your business, just message us at info@nvenn.com and we can get you set up with your pro account. For those of you that want to try our split end trio, we do a monthly product giveaway. We draw for a winner randomly at the end of every month. You can go to www.nvenn.com/giveaway to enter. And that is it. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you have any questions. Go out there and change the world through hair and beauty. Bye.